Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jack Show. Jack Scalfani here, and we're making dinner. This is a dinner video. This is literally what we're eating for dinner, so we decided to have you join us while we made it. The only difference we're doing on the recipe, I'll give you the original recipe down below. The only change we made to the video was we're using ground up pork rinds instead of breadcrumbs, and we're adding Italian seasoning. All right, let's see what we got. We got rotisserie chicken because nothing's better than grabbing a rotisserie chicken that's already cooked, you don't have to cook it, and tearing it up. We got cream of chicken soup. We bought the big can. Evaporated milk, broccoli, cooking spray that's oil-based. We have Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese, lemon juice, pork rinds, and Italian seasoning. I think that covers it all. All right, we're gonna kind of do things backwards. We're gonna mix our topping. So if you're using breadcrumbs, put your breadcrumbs in. If you're using what I'm using, pork rinds ground up, then add that in. You wanna add a little bit of cheese in. And you wanna add your Italian seasoning in. All right, next thing you wanna do is mix chicken with the broccoli. Put the chicken in there. About 3 breaths worth. All right, next step is we're going to mix the wet ingredients. And if you have room, just do it on the chicken soup. Take your evaporated milk and pour it in. Your lemon juice. That's gonna be your acid. All right, spray your dish or butter it or oil it, however you wanna make sure that the casserole doesn't stick to it. Take your chicken and broccoli, lay that in first. Go ahead and pour your chicken soup over the top of everything. And carefully apply the cheddar cheese. Man, there's never any love in the corners, so make sure you get your corners. Now for the topping that you made with the Parmesan and the breadcrumbs or the fake breadcrumbs, apply that on there. Nice, so it'll get toasted. At 350, we're gonna bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until this is all bubbly. Wow, look at this. It browned up perfectly. That's what's for dinner tonight. So my in-laws are coming over to join us, and this should be absolutely delicious. Wow, so much flavor. That soup is amazing, poured on top. All right, try this low-carb dish. Let me know what you think. Replace the breadcrumbs because the pork rinds ground up is really, really crispy and good. All right, I love you. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.